Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1970 Hemi Cuda. Got a 426 Hemi in it now. Automatic trans, power steering, power brakes, air. Sitting on rallies. Got a beautiful stance. This car is new. Ice cold air, Dyna rear, traction bars. Nothing beats the sound of a Hemi either. Fogs up front. Give it a real nice aggressive look. She is 426. Got an Indi intake, the high-rise intake, poly double pumper carburetor, huge headers leading back to dual exhaust, power steering, power brake, ice cold air, Canyon air filter. Sounds great. Electric fans up front. Just a gorgeous car. Car is rotisserie restored. See right into here, and it's just beautiful. Real nice door panels, interior's done. Seat belts all the way around. It's got 289 miles on the bill. Custom stereo, console, buckets. Start out as a 318 car. We've got a stack of receipts about 2 inches thick for this one. Pretty fun. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.